Perez, Jupiter Scribe. This is the September Digital Newsletter, and I am here at Starbucks with David Twyford.
Hey guys.
Hello, Troop 14. I'm Brandon Perez. You're Troop 14 Scribe, and this is the September newsletter. I have a special guest, David Twyford. We are right outside Starbucks, and I just wanted to ask you, David, what are some tips and tricks for popcorn sales?
Popcorn sales. My specialty, as they say. Alright, so guys, I'm here for some tips, and basically, what you should always do first is basically you should always introduce yourself in a great manner. Make sure that you're always polite, kind, friendly, all that in the Scout Law. Make sure that your time is flexible when it comes to your cell. Make sure you have a good plan, because you always want to check the weather. Make sure that nothing interferes with your plans. Always make sure that it's always flexible and everything. And then another thing is positive attitude. And that's kind of also important as well, with your manners and everything. Also, don't be afraid to sell outside of Edison too, because sometimes people say, you know what, I don't really know what other people will say outside of my town because I don't support that town. Well, that's actually not true. And people will still buy from you, trust me. And it's a great way to get more sales. And make sure too, you also save records of your past sales, because every year you get a new list and everything, and you might remember where you went, but you don't know exactly who bought from you. And a good thing to do is basically make sure you take record of that, and make sure that you could always know when you go up to a house, you're like, oh, I sold here. So there's that. And then finally, be unique to yourself. Make sure you are you, and make sure that you just stand out unlike the rest. That's all.
Alright, anything else to say?
No, I'm good, man.
Alright, well, this is the Troop 14 Digital Newsletter for September. This is Brandon Perez, and goodbye.